Professional etiquette. Hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, I want to talk about something that can help you succeed in your career. Professional etiquette. Have you ever met someone who is polite, respectful, and easy to work with? People usually enjoy working with someone like that. Professional etiquette is all about behaving in a respectful and professional way at work. It includes how we speak, how we dress, how we communicate, and how we treat other people. The good news is that professional etiquette is not difficult to learn. Anyone can develop good workplace manners. Let's start with something simple, being on time. Arriving at work or joining a meeting on time shows that you respect other people's time. If you know you're going to be late, it's always a good idea to let someone know as soon as possible. Punctuality creates a good impression and shows that you are reliable. Another important habit is being polite. Simple words like please, thank you, and excuse me can make a big difference. These words are small, but they show respect and kindness. Good communication is another part of professional etiquette. When speaking with coworkers, customers, or managers, try to be clear and respectful. Listen carefully when others are talking. Avoid interrupting. And if you don't understand something, don't be afraid to ask questions. Listening is just as important as speaking. Good listeners often become good team members because they understand other people's ideas and concerns. Let's talk about appearance. Different workplaces have different dress codes. Some offices require formal clothing. Others allow casual clothes. No matter where you work, wearing clean and neat clothes shows that you take your job seriously. Another important habit is keeping your workspace organized. A clean desk makes it easier to find documents and complete your work efficiently. It also creates a positive impression on others. Professional etiquette also includes respecting everyone's opinions. People come from different backgrounds and have different experiences. You may not always agree with them, and that's perfectly normal. The important thing is to disagree politely and respectfully. Teamwork is another important skill. In most workplaces, success depends on people working together. Offer help when a coworker needs it. Share ideas, support your team, and celebrate each other's achievements. Helping others creates a friendly and positive work environment. Technology is also part of professional etiquette. When writing emails, use polite language. Check your spelling before sending a message. Reply within a reasonable time. And during online meetings, try to join on time and avoid unnecessary distractions. Another important rule is respecting privacy. If someone shares personal or confidential information with you, keep it private. People trust those who respect confidentiality. Sometimes mistakes happen at work. Everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is to admit them honestly, learn from them, and find a solution. Trying to hide a mistake usually creates bigger problems. One thing I have learned is that attitude matters. You don't have to know everything, but being willing to learn, staying positive, and treating others with respect will always help you grow. Professional etiquette is also about handling difficult situations calmly. Maybe a customer is unhappy. Maybe a coworker disagrees with you. Instead of becoming angry, stay calm, listen carefully, and speak respectfully. Many problems can be solved through patient communication. Another important habit is keeping your promises. If you say you will complete a task by Friday, do your best to finish it on time. Being dependable helps people trust you. Remember that your reputation is built little by little. Every email you write, every meeting you attend, every conversation you have, these small moments shape how people see you. Professional etiquette is not only about following rules. It is about showing respect, building trust, and creating positive relationships. These qualities can help you succeed in any career. Whether you are a student, a new employee, or an experienced professional, it is never too early or too late to improve your professional manners. Simple habits can open many doors. Be kind. Be respectful. Be honest. Be reliable. And always keep learning. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. What do you think is the most important workplace habit? How do you show respect to your coworkers or classmates? Have you ever worked in a team? What professional skill would you like to improve? And what advice would you give to someone starting their first job? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. Remember, professional success is not only about knowledge and skills. It is also about the way you treat people every day. Take care, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.